You will be seeing a brief overview of this product in use and can download the solution with instant trial license, literature, user guide, and may request a live web sales or technical support by email listed at the end. This is one of the 50-plus add-on building block products backed by full customization and support services globally. MTC serves the industry, bringing other platform solutions to the Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM platform.
SuperGrid is a productivity tool for Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM that allows Excel-like editing capability down the column right on the home grid or subgrid of an entity record, saving too many clicks in carrying out your day-to-day job activities. With the right kind of configuration, you can use SuperGrid on any CRM entity. In the SuperGrid settings area, you can select the entity of your choice and checkbox the options such as main grid, subgrid, disable inactive records, enable autosave, and disable add new row. Depending upon the selection made, the SuperGrid functionality will work accordingly on selected entity. By using autosave option, you can save a lot of time without having to worry about clicking on save button for any change that you make. Other settings that could be made are read-only fields. These are the fields that are supposed to be read-only and can be added from here. Required fields, these are the mandatory fields for a record that can be added from here. Restricted views, you can add views that could be restricted from appearing on the screen. Business rules, you can set your own business rules using this option. Aggregate fields, you can select two or more fields and set sum or average on them, which will be displayed at the bottom of the grid. Grouping columns, you can select fields for grouping so that it would be displayed that way. You can also choose events for triggering certain scripts for fulfilling your business requirements. These events include on save, on load, on change, on save completed, on add new row. For example, you want the account field to be updated on loading the account record. You can do so by selecting the onload event and adding the related script. Likewise, if you want to update a certain field on saving the record, you can do it by selecting the on save event and adding the related script. Here I'm configuring SuperGrid on contact entity and also selecting autosave main grid and subgrid checkboxes. Now I will open active contacts view and check how SuperGrid functionality works. You can see a SuperGrid button in the ribbon area. Click on it to activate the SuperGrid functionality. After SuperGrid is activated, you can see the active contacts view is now open for editing. Since I grouped account with company phone in the settings area, I could see both clubbed here. I can right click and remove grouping if I need. You can see I can easily add a new contact record or edit the existing contact records right from here without having to dig deep into the records. Also, all changes made is auto-saved since I selected auto-save option in the settings area. This is SuperGrid on the home grid. Now let's check SuperGrid on subgrid. In order to check SuperGrid on subgrid, you are required to add a web resource on the selected entity. You can see SuperGrid allows me to add edit on subgrid as well. SuperGrid can also be configured on dashboards for distinct view of business details. This is how SuperGrid looks on sales activity dashboard.
This product is customizable for you. MTC is the leader in affordable custom Dynamics 365 CRM development globally. Thank you for viewing this product video. Please remember MTC for any Dynamics 365 CRM enhancements you may be considering. 1 + 1 = 3. Number 1 in products, number 1 in services. MTC's capability adds up to more value.